Making Money Part 1. Use these top tips and recommendations. TikTokers are making big bucks on this app. Get started with these proven methods. Number 1. Partner with brands and focus efforts on influencer marketing. Surprise, surprise, you knew this would be in here, but here are specific facts to get this rolling. Reach out to small-scale brands and offer to promote their products for a small fee or free products to start. Then move on to bigger brands once you begin to grow. If there are local businesses that could benefit from your TikTok promotions, contact the owners. Remember not to set your price too high, because if you are in this stage, it isn't about making money yet, but rather you are collecting experience. If you worked with 7 retail shops in your area, you will have the experience to approach larger businesses and justify your experience because you have already done paid videos for other clients. You would be a favorable candidate compared to those that are expecting to make money because of the number of followers or engagements, but because you have actual experience producing a service that is beneficial for the customer. Once you join the big leagues, brands will seek you out based on your fans' demographics. If you're popular among boys aged 14 to 19, brands that sell products to teenage boys will approach you. If you agree to promote a product, ensure that you're speaking naturally. Don't sound fake or forced. If the product seems like it doesn't fit into your channel, then your viewers may sense inauthenticity and feel turned off. If a scripted promotion is a requirement, think twice before agreeing to this, because your fans may be able to tell that the message doesn't sound like it's coming from you. Note, remember to follow FTC guidelines if you are being paid to make a promotional post. Be sure to disclose the fact. Number 2. Build established accounts and sell them. One effective way to make money is to build up TikTok accounts and sell these accounts to make a profit. This method is gaining popularity in the e-commerce and product space. So start by selecting a specific industry and create captivating content that could go viral, attracting people that would be a good fit customer for certain kinds of products. People are developing TikTok profiles targeting specific interests and then contacting brands in the industry to sell their TikTok profiles. This is a legitimate way to make money. Once a brand acquires your account, it is quite easy for a brand to sell products, as the audience has already been built by you. So people are selling products through TikTok Live. How it works. During a live stream, companies are launching products and some are even holding auctions. The link for the products are included in the bio, directing followers to make a purchase. The game is grow a following around a specific category or industry. Once you have built an established community, contact a brand that would love to access these followers and make an offer to sell them your account. Number 3. Go live on TikTok and stream your videos. Collect gifts from your viewership. How it works. So number 1. Sample Sally is viewing a performance that she likes. Sample Sally liked the performance a lot, so she uses her coins to buy a special character and donate to the creator. This can be sent in the performer's chat. Certain characters are worth more than others. Sample Sally would send a character that relates to how much she liked the performance. Number 4. Live streaming performers can trade their accumulation for real cash up to a maximum of $1,000 a day. You have to wait until you make $50 or more to redeem. So, let's summarize the example in the previous section. TikTok users can buy coins. The price for coins can vary based on the pack size and currency of the user. These coins are saved in a wallet on the account and given to TikTokers that participate in live streaming performances. Note, you need at least 1,000 followers to activate this live stream functionality. These gifts you receive can be converted into diamonds, which you can then cash in on PayPal. You can think of this as tipping the performer if they are deserving. It's really a way of thanking the creator for making content that you enjoyed. It also gives you recognition because your profile picture and username is displayed for everyone that's watching the live stream. This gives some fame to the person who donated. Creators would also get to see the list of users who donated. There's a chance that the creator would view your profile and check you out, possibly follow you.